Honda releases new motorbikes equipped with an e-clutch system which makes it comfortable for riders to change gears. One of them is the new Honda CB650R 2024 at EICMA 2023 in Milan, Italy. There is no change from the Honda CB650R engine. This motorbike comes with a 650cc, 4-cylinder inline engine which produces a maximum power of 94 horsepower, along with a Showa Upside Down front suspension system measuring 41mm SFF-BP, and a monoshock rear suspension system. Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC). HSTC smoothly manages rear-wheel traction, wet or dry, so riding the busy street or attacking a set of corners is always a thrill. What's new is the style. Agile New Style. Neo Sports Café moves on. Tightly wrapped angles outline new sophistication, matched to a minimal upswept tail unit and crisp new angled LED headlight. The CB650R retains the signature Neo Sports Café styling first featured on the 2015 CB4 concept, but for 2024 it is revamped with a lower LED headlamp design than the CB1000R, a shorter, sharper tail and a redesigned radiator cover. The 5-inch TFT adds a modern technological touch, which may seem a bit odd with the CB650R's retro vibe, but it does open up smartphone connectivity and turn-by-turn navigation. Honda RoadSync smartphone connectivity. Want to use your phone's nav or listen to music? No problem. By downloading the Honda RoadSync app, you can connect it to the CB650R.